up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how I curl my hair. I do this look on just about every guest. So if you've sat in my chair and you've absolutely loved the curls, this is what I do. First things first, you absolutely need this curling iron. It's the Ionic extra long barrel, and this is in the size 1 inch. Now, their sizing is not the same as most curling irons, so know that if you do go with the 1 inch, it's going to be more comparable to maybe like the Babyliss 1.25 inches. The reason I like this curling iron so much is it doesn't tangle, snag, and it has a little heat temperature control on the side. I like to keep mine around 320. I'm going to also use the Davines Melu hair shield. This is a heat protectant. Major key when you are doing your hair and using any heat tools, you want to make sure that you're using a heat protectant. I feel like that's one of the biggest things that gets overlooked, and it is very important. You don't want to cook your hair the way you're cooking a chicken. I like to curl everything on this side away this way and everything on this side away this way. I'm just going to take a piece. And I like to keep my curling iron in an up and down manner. When curling, it does make a really big difference. And I twist it off and pull down. I leave it alone. I don't brush them out immediately. You want them to cool down. Also, when curling, you want to make sure you start up higher. You want that area of your hair to have the heat on it the longest. That's actually going to save your ends from all the damage, and also it's going to make your curls hold longer. Start up high, and I loosen and open the little clamp, and I twist back up. Let it sit, and you can see that the end is out, and I twist it off and I pull down. I do like to take smaller sections. I feel like it gives it a more beachy look, and I feel like the waves hold better when you're taking smaller sections. I am incorporating some of my natural hair and the extension hair when doing this. If you wear extensions, this curling iron will literally change your life. I know a lot of times it goes in and out of stock so fast, so definitely keep your eye on it. And if you can ever find it on sale, run. All right, so I'm going to take my bang. All right, I'm going to finish this last little piece, and then I'm going to move on and start working on the other side. All right, so on this side, I'm curling in the opposite direction. I'm curling this way. I'm rounding this way with my curling iron. I'm holding it up there at the root for a bit, so that way we can have some extra heat up there and really help hold that style. I'm gonna twist it off and pull down on the ends. All right, so it's all curled now. I'm going to spray in some hairspray and loosen it up a little bit. So I'm going to use the Davines Strong Hairspray. Don't let the name be deceiving. It's not crunchy. It's a very fine mist, and it smells so heavenly. I'm going to take it, I'll pinch my hair like this and spray upwards, and this is really going to help create volume and texture and fluff it out. Look at that. So good. Okay. Look at how fluffy this side is, and look at how flat and boring this side is. right, there you have it. That is the final look. I'm obsessed. I rake through it with my fingers mostly. If I have a guest whose hair holds curl really well, I'll take a brush to kind of brush through it and loosen up the curls. But if I have a finer guest like myself, I'll rake through it with my fingers. But hopefully you liked this tutorial. Stay tuned. Every Monday I'll be uploading a video on my YouTube channel, and make sure to visit me on Instagram. All right guys, bye-bye.